Hi, and welcome to the Ottawa Krav Maga Academy channel. My name is Clovis, and I teach practical self-defense skills to everyone of all ages in order to help them stay safe. And today we are going to look at what are the best principles of using long-range objects to protect yourself. Stay tuned. Before we begin, we need to look at the attacker's mindset. The attacker armed with a knife has already selected you and pictured his victory, such as a successful robbery, causing you harm, and retaining his weapon. He does not picture failure. You, as the defender, you need to be aware of your surroundings by scanning your environment in order to prevent, avoid, and do whatever is necessary to escape and evade any potential harmful situation. And another thing you can do when you're scanning your environment is to pay attention to common objects that are around you, such as a rake, which is a long-range weapon that we're talking about today. The chair can be used as a shield type weapon, or any object that you're carrying on you, such as hot coffee. Common objects are just that. Anything that you see or you carry with you can be used as a weapon to aid you. Krav Maga is a practical self-defense system that utilizes principles over specific nitty-gritty techniques. Now, a principle is a guideline that helps you to find a general solution to overcoming problems. Now, the principle of using any common object that is a long-range weapon is to create distance between you and your attacker in order to avoid harm and aid your escape. What if I cannot find a common object to use? Well, check out the link to another one of our videos for the best Krav Maga tactics that you can use. All you got to do is click the link above to access it. When using a long-range common object, there are two principles to follow. Number one, swing. Swinging in a figure 8 motion. As you can see, when you're swinging figure 8 motion, it makes it difficult for the person to move in. Also, your attacker may also hesitate. Number two, keep stabbing straight. This is the most effective and most difficult motion to defend against. You can throw more stabs than it takes to do a swing. Also, what's great, you can combine the two, swinging and stabbing, to defend yourself. Something for you to take away is keep things simple and effective and stay safe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to get more content and check out our other videos on our channels. Until next time, stay safe.